Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at SPY Spider. So it's the indicator for the S&P 500 ETF Trust. Basically, it tracks the SPY or SPX. So it looks like this next week it looks pretty good. Okay, so all three technical indicators are pointing higher. You can see here for 1014. And 10.6 and 10.5 got three positive indicators, so the averages are going to continue to move higher. Now I use this one as pretty good indicator for basically to track the Dow Jones. This one, it's a pretty good indicator. They track pretty well together for the most part. If one goes up, the others go up more or less. There's some issues there if there's not a lot of movement. But if there's a lot of momentum and a lot of movement, they pretty much track. And see here, it could be waning interest slightly on the MACD, so it might not rise as fast as it has been. You can see this curve here kind of start to lose some momentum. So you can definitely tell it's up near its highs. It just hit the new high, 454.67. Surpassed this high back here, so it might be cooling off. Really hard to say. I want to see what happens earlier in the week, but this is a good indicator. Basically, if you're going to sell cash covered puts in the market, and market seems to be going higher, that's a good sign. Coupled with the individual technical indicators for whatever stock you're killing cash covered puts on, or if you're doing covered calls. If you get down indicators, good luck. The market's probably going to go down and drag a lot of stuff with it. So a good time to sell covered calls. So basically that's my strategy for this week. Just want to ensure that the market is looking up. It's going to be moving upwards before I sell all my cash covered puts this week. And it looks pretty good. So tell me what you guys think, how the market's going to move this next week. You think I'm going to post this on Sunday, just so you guys have a heads up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more technical indicator videos on individual stocks, as well as this weekly review of how the market's going to perform, at least in the first part of the week. It could change drastically through the week. Usually not. Usually these indicators are pretty good for at least a week or two, maybe longer. You can see here there's some switching that happens, but it's pretty. You can see triple down, had a nice little hit, and then we had an indicator up just for one thing, and then moved up back up and recovered. So sometimes it's hard to read these, but for the most part I think this is a pretty strong one, and it looks like it's going to be moving higher. Alright, be sure you guys subscribe, and thanks for watching.